Okay, we got our potatoes ready. We're going to have parsley potatoes and steak. This has been burning just a little while. And you would be amazed at how much heat is coming off of this little guy. Unreal, the amount of heat. But what we're going to do is we're going to let this cook down a little bit. And then we're going to go ahead and put our potatoes in and let them cook up a little bit. You guys hear that noise? We got a buck chasing a doe right over here. I don't know where they went. It is the rut season. I seen them come close to the fence right there. Then they stopped. They're in there somewhere. Better get back to our video. Alright guys, I'm going to show you something here. These are silicone gloves. And they're great for the skillets and stuff like that. So we're going to be using these gloves. These are my grill gloves. They're a little bit nasty looking, but that's just oil and stuff. So we're going to let that oil heat up a little bit, and then we're going to throw our potatoes in there and get them cooking. A little bit of salt. little bit of pepper. What's nice about this little stove is I can actually put the skillet up here on the top. Then I could cook from the inside too. If it gets a little too hot in there, I just bring it out here and cook it up out here on the top of the stove. Okay, our potatoes are about done up there. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and throw this guy on the grill. Got us a nice New York strip steak. Going to let her cook. Okay, I think our steak is done. I'm going to say that looks pretty good to me. Nice steak. Well, that's steak and potatoes right there. So that's one thing we got down. Steak and potatoes on the little mini cook stove. I probably could have got a little bigger skillet. I could probably use a little bit bigger skillet, but I'm just trying it out right now. So let's try this steak. Oh, nothing like a wood cooked steak. Really good. But the potatoes are great, parsley potatoes, and I just add a little bit of salt and pepper. The steak actually had been I left it seasoned. I put some seasoning, just some steak seasoning on it, and left it set with the steak seasoning and let it come up to room temperature. It's been out here the whole time we were getting the fire going and getting the potatoes going. So the steak was room temperature. Definitely a good meal. Steak and potatoes on the mini camp cook stove. So I'm just going to sit here and enjoy my food. Everything is so much better when it's cooked on wood. Okay, in this video I will leave a link to the Retta cutlery. This is a good knife. These are great little American-made knives. If you guys are interested, in the description down below, I'll leave a link for the cutlery and maybe some other little things that I use in the video. So I would like to tell everybody thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave me thumbs up, thumbs down, or a comment if you'd like. Till next time.